looking, are your kids looking for a way to make some extra money? My daughter is. We're Rob and Roxy with Flea Market Flipper, and this is the kids edition. So Roxy had some money saved up, and she wanted to make more. She had $11 saved. She wanted a $50 watch, so we said, let's go to a couple thrift stores, let's buy a couple items, and see what we can do with that $11. So this is our haul from the day. We'll show you what we got. We got a
shield?
Captain America shield. Thank you, Roxy.
Yep.
It is a cool shield. You can wear it like that, turn it on, and it shoots. It's supposed to shoot.
It's like not fixed right.
Hey, it shoots. All right, Cody, pick those up, please. So this is what we got. This was $2. This came from Goodwill. So $2 for this. We should be able to get 20 bucks out of this bad boy. It's got the disc. It's pretty good shape. It's battery powered. So sweet, sweet deal on this. The only problem is getting it from her brother because her brother really wants it. So we'll see how that goes. It might be a sale for half price to her brother. We don't know yet. But if it doesn't, we should be able to get 20 bucks for it. So second buy. What did we buy, Rox?
This cook oven.
The Easy Bake Oven.
So,
That was the second buy, and we paid $4.99 for this at Goodwill. We should be able to get roughly between $30 and $40 for this. We paid $5 for it. Killer deal. It came with a whole bunch of attachments. I mean, a whole bunch of accessories and Easy Bake stuff. So that's what we got for that.
And my sister has one.
Your sister has one. That's correct.
But it's blue, but it's kind of different because the bottoms are a little. This one has the corners of the bottoms.
Okay.
And my sister has like the straight of the bottoms.
Yep.
Like
So her sister has an Easy Bake Oven that she got for a present. This one definitely came from somebody who got it for a present because there was wrapping paper on it.
Yep.
So we will be able to make some money on this. We'll be able to make some money on that. What is the last thing we got?
We got a suitcase.
A suitcase! And we don't really know what the suitcase does, but it looked like it was expensive, so we paid $2 for it. It was $3.99, and everything in the sale in the store was half off, so that's what we bought. I think we'll be able to hopefully make 15, 20 bucks on this as well. So we'll see. We'll do a little bit more research on that and go from there.
Go for that.
That's it! We will keep you guys posted. Like I said, this is Roxy's haul of stuff she got today to make. Her goal is to make 50 bucks from $11 is what she had. She spent $9.50, correct?
Yes.
$9.50, and this is what we're going to try to turn into 50 bucks in profit. We'll see how it goes. We'll keep you posted!
Yeah!
Woohoo!
See you next time!
See you next time!